Camera. Okay, everybody, this is day 2. I am in this place called Kamareddy. Never thought I'm gonna stay in a place like this. In a place like in Kamareddy, that too. Got a sub-average room for $600. I don't know till when I'm gonna vlog, because once the rain starts, I'm gonna put the Hero 9 back in and take out the Hero 5. ఏ పక్కన వెళ్ళాలి ఇప్పుడు? రైట్ తీసుకో, యూటర్న్ చేసుకోవాలా? So good to ride in this weather, man. Not the rain, of course. నన్నా నువ్వు ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా యూటర్న్, అటు తిప్పి మళ్ళీ ఇదే రోడ్ మీద తీసుకొస్తావా? పర్ఫెక్ట్. Weather is actually very pleasant. I know it's not going to stay like this forever. It's going to be like this for the next 2 to 3 hours max. And then again our rains. This thing is a blessing, the cruise control. And I have a pretty badass horn, so people think it's a big SUV coming behind them, but then it's a bike. I have a lot of fun with this Allure LRT. Good morning, everybody. Can you see the sun shining on my face? It's right there. So yeah, about yesterday's ride, it was tough. I mean, I was prepared for a completely wet ride till Delhi, but it got a little daunting on the first day. The truck, what can I do? Yeah, so it got pretty daunting on the first day. I was prepared for it. I mean, till Delhi. Today I'm vlogging now because I don't know when I'm gonna be vlogging again today. But yeah, this countryside is looking so good, man. The reason why I'm using the word countryside is because it looks like a European countryside, especially that side. Yeah. So yeah, I'm soaking in the sunlight. If you know me from my Nepal videos, if you haven't check them out. I did the same exact route. That's why I wasn't pissed when I couldn't vlog yesterday on this road, because this is my third time on this highway. Third time. First time when I came from Agra, second time when I went to Nepal, and third time is this. I've done this road, so I know this road. The roads are excellent, no doubts about it, but then the rain yesterday was, my god, I cannot even tell you. Okay, so I won't waste any time. I'll try to munch up as many miles as possible before the sunlight goes and eventually the rains come in. It's predicted that after 9 a.m. it's going to be completely rains. I'm going to be drenched. I don't know till where I'm going to do today's ride, I mean. So yeah, I'll see you back on the road. Yeah, so let's get back on the road. The gloves are wet, everything is wet. I had covered that tank bag yesterday with the rain cover, but I can feel there is this slight, what do you call, numbness in the things that I've kept inside. I don't know, man. And then I covered this, and it's covered with a polythene bag from underneath. Still, all the things were like, I could see droplets of water in that bag. Okay, this bag was like a last minute decision, so I couldn't find a waterproof bag. The one that I had was like huge. Okay, why am I telling you all this? Let's go. Let's not waste any more time. Look at that. Do you agree with me or not that this is looking great? Yeah, now it's looking great, right? Let's go. Oh man, this is looking so beautiful. Especially because of the rains. Like it's completely green on either side. Like there is something growing here. I think it's maize. Yeah, it's maize. And there are all these trees that you see here, the smaller ones, they have these yellow colored flowers bloomed. And on the divider as well. So this is a great road to drive in the night or ride, because there are no high beams hitting you. This is such a good thing, man. So I could ride till, see, if the rains weren't there, I mean, if it was, oh god, no. Monkeys. Yeah. So yeah, as I was telling you, I could ride till Adilabad yesterday, but the rains. If it was just drizzling, I could do it, but then it was gushing water. It was like a river flowing all over the road. So that's why it got a little tricky, I would say. So comment down below how the GoPro Hero 9 quality is doing, because I don't know, I still haven't tried this out. So hi everybody, the time is 8:21 and I'm in Adilabad. Yesterday I had to reach here and I thought I would easily reach, because by the time I left Hyderabad it was 2 p.m. I thought 4 more hours and I can reach this place. But yeah, so for now I can't see any clouds still. Like it's very clear. I can see at least 10 kilometers here. I don't think there are any clouds or rain expected. Google weather showed that it is going to rain in Adilabad at 9 a.m. Well, I don't see any clouds. Yeah, let's continue. This phone is showing low battery. I have to give it on charge. So I'm crossing this river. I think after this river it's Maharashtra. I think I've seen something like that on the map. Yeah, it's probably Maharashtra now. Yeah, I can see boards in Marathi. Oh my god, what a pothole that was. shit. Yes, we are inside Maharashtra. Yes, I can see all the boards in Marathi, I mean Devanagari. Have to have breakfast. Yeah, so the zigzag thing, yeah, it's there. It's still there. So this is my third time crossing into Maharashtra on this bike. Awesome. Oh yeah, I was talking about this. That's the toll plaza right there for the four-wheelers in Maharashtra. Now let us just look for a dhaba. Petrol pump. So just crossed into Maharashtra and I'm just having my breakfast here, and it's too sunny here. The sun is just right above my head. And yeah, the ride is going great, as you saw. It's not raining. I'm still in my rain pants. I'm eating poha and some chana kurma or something. Yeah. Looks delicious, right? Yeah. Just eat and get back. Hello everybody, the time is 11:10 a.m. and I'm in Nagpur, I mean outskirts of Nagpur. I have to take a right here. I don't know when. I'm just waiting. This phone is like switched off, so I'm relying on the boards now. So let's go. Not bad. Last time when I remember, I left Hyderabad at 7 a.m. and reached Nagpur at 12. This time I was a bit slow. Still, 11 o'clock is like not bad. Now I have to take a right and go towards Sevani and then to Narsinghpur. Okay, here I take the left. Jabalpur towards the left. Oh yes, second time on this road. Feels awesome. Now we go a little bit towards the east and then come back to west and go back to north. The time is 11:25 and I just took the right from Nagpur. I'm going towards Jabalpur, but then not Jabalpur. I'll go to Seoni and Laknadon, and then probably there, left from there, goes to Narsinghpur, and then it joins back to that Chindwara Delhi highway. So yeah, the, okay. In this entire trip till I reach Delhi, I'm going to be giving you some weather report just about the rains. The clouds still haven't formed completely, but then I can see clouds approaching this side. So I so badly wanted to vlog, but then I have my Hero 5, which is waterproof because I've kept the door closed. So yeah, I'll leave. I don't want to waste any time. Bye. Recognize that board. I stopped here exactly at this point, Agra, 779 kilometers on Jan 16th probably of 2020. My god, same point again. But then I'm going to Laknadon and then taking a left from there towards Narsinghpur. That's the only difference. The weather seems okayish. I'm just hoping for the best and going, that's it. I'm not making any predictions as of now. Okay, let's get back on the road. So I'm in Laknadon, okay. So I have to take a left here to go to Sagar. I think this is going to be a single lane for the next I think 100 kilometers, 50 kilometers at I don't know. Let's see. Okay, it's a 4-lane. Thank God. Thank God it's a 4-lane. Now this is what I call a perfect day. I started early, like not early, like I left at 6 a.m., which is not very early, but I managed to do like 750 kilometers in exactly 12 hours. I left at 6 a.m. I reached to this hotel at 6 p.m. So in 12 hours, I could do 750 kilometers. I think I maintained a pretty good pace. So yeah, I came to, Sagar. So I got this really good room. I don't know, for the price that I paid, it's a fantastic room. And I just opened my laptop. I have to transfer all the footage. Arre yaar, reception call. Now what shall I tell you? After when I told it's a perfect day, it's not. I just transferred all the footage from the GoPro to the laptop. The clarity is amazing, the Hero 9, but Parantu, I don't know when it got switched from super view to narrow. Agar ye, even if it was wide, it would be okay. It has switched from super view to narrow. My god. Look at this. Narrow. Can you believe it? It's narrow, not even wide or medium or linear. What? Shit, man. What's a stupid Hero 9? Yeah, and one more thing. I opened all my drone bag and everything. There was some amount of like numbness. I don't know what it is. Like there were like water droplets on my drone. I was like, what happened? But nothing to worry. The drone switched on. It was showing me the battery indicator. So hopefully nothing has happened. Yeah, Royal Enfield panniers. I thought they're waterproof, dude. Yeah, I'll sort things out. No, that's my logging setup. Interesting, right? Yeah, I'll end this vlog over here. I'll just wait for my food. If it looks interesting, I'm gonna show it here. Otherwise, see you tomorrow.